Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send BNB to another Binance account. Alright, so in order to send BNB to another Binance account, this is basically sending from one Binance account to another. So make sure you open up your Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the overview, scroll to your spot or funding account depending on where your BNB tokens are stored. Once you've located your BNB, click on withdraw. Once you selected withdraw, select send via email, phone number, or ID. So click on this option. You're then asked to enter the Binance ID of whoever you want to send to. I have who I've been sending recently to, so I'm going to be going with that. So once you've entered the Binance ID, make sure you enter the amount of BNB you wish to send. If you have up to 300 BNB, you could simply send this over without any extra cost or any extra charge. All you need to do is simply click on send. You could add an optional note and it's done. So that's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.